Good fucking morning. It's not as early as last time. It's around 7 a.m. Yeah, last time it was a lot earlier. It was 3 a.m. But I went out on a wonderful date. See, life is all about balance and not just ultimate grind all the time. You can do that, but you can also enjoy life. So, I came home a bit late, which means I woke up a bit late because of dates. Anyways, today we might take our first trade. I've learned a lot from the boot camp. The boot camp was 55 days and I fucking finished it in 5. How are people supposed to be able to compete with me? Genuinely, how? How do you think you stand a chance when I can, for 5 days straight, I literally would stay on that fucking desk I record on for 15 hours straight, just boot camp, learning. And now I finished everything in 5 days. How are you able to compete? You literally can't. You're simply unable to compete. Learn this and understand that your competition is doing the exact same things I'm doing, bro. That drive, that motivation, that vigor, I have it. How can you compete against it? Find out.
So something very unfortunate happened. I'm genuinely sorry for what happened. The footage that I recorded, it was a solid hour straight of me just educating you and showing you how to place a trade and everything. And all the footage is gone. It's literally it's in the depths. I lost all the footage because of the OBS studio, something messed up and I lost all the footage of me live trading with you. So what I will do right now, I'll actually show you the trade itself, how I did. We'll just go over a quick recap and I'll show you our profits currently and what we're floating at. So let me just walk you through exactly what my mindset was on Friday, because today is Saturday. We fucking, markets are closed. I'm actually heartbroken, but it doesn't matter. I'm fired up now because this shit pissed me off and I was actually annoyed for a solid 30 minutes, and I was speaking with my editor and everything, and we were both fucking bitching about the situation. But again, it's stoicism with life. You're gonna deal with bullshit like this, and it just trains you to become a better trader if you're able to deal with annoying circumstances like this. So let me walk you through what happened on Friday. What I did was I looked at the daily time frame and I saw that we were in a downtrend, right? So this is a downtrend over here. We had a break of structure. This candle closed here, so I decided to, yep, that's definitely a downtrend. I decided to definitely start looking for shorts for selling. We looked at the 4-hour time frame, same thing, downtrend, and I decided to look for sells right around here. And I saw that the price started rising into this order block and there was a free value gap, and we had a candle, a wick closure above, right around here, which basically was a sign for me to take a trade, to take a short, because that's the main strategy I use right now. And if you want me to show you the exact deep strategy, let me know in the comments, because I'm just learning right now. I'm still just learning. I decided to place a sell right over here. The confluence we did was we went into the 15-minute market, I'm pretty sure. We looked here. Yeah, so we started seeing some downtrending over here, and we decided to place a trade. We placed a short so right around here on MT5, this is where you actually place the trades, and I'll show you how to do that. I did show you how to do that actually. If only my fucking thing didn't crash. I placed a sell around here, and we're floating in around $700 profit right now. So this is the first trade, right? We're floating around $700 in profit right now. Right now, the market is closed because it's Saturday, and this looks like it'll be a swing trade. So it's going to be a long-term trade. And we targeted 3 take profit points. Let me show you where those are. So we placed the sell and we're floating around $700 profit right now. We took 3 take profit points. The first one was around here, liquidity. There's some liquidity here. I'll show you on MT, actually, on MetaTrader, where the take profit points are. So we set a take profit point. Let me zoom out. Right. So I don't know if you can see from here. We set a take profit over here at liquidity zone 1, and then a second one down here at liquidity zone 2, and then over here. Once we hit the first take profit, I'll set the trade to a break-even trade, which means there's no longer any risk. But yeah, this was the first trade. Most people trade fucking wrong. They just they have no strategy, no mindset, no stoicism, whatever. I'm just really upset that I couldn't show you the whole footage, the whole hour-long thing. But, game's a game. Next episode, I'll probably be showing you deep of how I actually trade. But this is just a quick little update of where we're at right now. $700 in profit. You know, it's a start, the first trade. I don't care if the thing reverses on me, because the trades you should be losing are when you lose against daily bias, which means when the daily bias is going down, but it just suddenly flips on you. Which if I do lose the trade, that's why this would happen, because again, daily just says go down, 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 down. If it suddenly decides to flip on me, that's fine. I followed the daily bias, so that's, again, this thing was a whole day. Like, imagine if I placed a trade at around here, my daily bias would have been correct, because, you know, up, 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 up. And then the only trades you should be losing are, let's say for example, you place a long here or a buy, and then daily bias just begins to flip on you. So that might happen, but that's just the game. You know, that it is, game's the game. We had a risk to reward ratio of around 3.8, so like 1 to 3, which is fine for the first trade. Again, like I said, first trade, so there's a lot more to learn, but I just wanted to update you on the situation on the first trade. So yeah, this is the trade I took on Friday. Saturday market is closed, obviously. Like I said, there weren't any major news. There was like this thing at 10 a.m. which kind of didn't really affect the market that much. But yeah, this is the trade we're at right now. First trade ever. Looks like it will be a positive trade. I mean, it is going in our direction right now, for now at least. I will update you next week or next episode on this. And I do recommend you get yourself a notebook to just to journal your trades, and like to learn and to implement your strategies and everything, and just to make sure you have a positive win ratio. But this is where we are right now. This is the progress. If you do want to know why I took the trade, and you know what order blocks are and fair value gaps and like all those things, these are just the deeper strategies. Like I said, let me know. But this is our first trade, and we are up 700 right now. End of the month, we'll see. You know, trading is all a percentage game. Money isn't the thing. It's if you have a positive win ratio, if it's about 50, 60, 70, you're profitable. You can become a millionaire just by having a positive win ratio. And that's all you need. That's genuinely all you need. So that's how our first trade went. So that was a quick intro or a quick update on the situation. I couldn't go too much into details with this one. This is going to be a shorter episode, but the upcoming ones will obviously be a lot more educational. We just have a one and drop situation. Forgive me, whatever. Or don't. Fuck you. I don't care. This is just the situation right now. Update, you know, that's the trade. Shit happens. Short one, but next time will be a longer one, and I'll show you the live trade. This is like a quick update for like the brain dead dopamine monkeys who can't finish the videos at all generally. Wish not for a lighter load, but for a stronger back.